When I get stressed, I eat bad stuff. When I eat bad stuff, I feel like crap and I don't sleep well, right? It just kind of snowballs, but we can go the other way around too. And this is my happy place. This is where I go when I meditate. So I might just close my eyes, take some breaths, and I put myself floating on this. I've got the beautiful light shining down on me. So I feel that light, and I think of it as, God's light shining down and filling me. I listen, I smell the flowers. I feel the water on my fingers and I just go here to help myself relax and get ready for bed, or if I have issues I'm dealing with. So it is just an amazing opportunity. And I had somebody actually, I described it all to this woman and she created this beautiful image. So find a happy place and use that meditation to help you kind of orient yourself. If we can be more mindful of these things, it can really help to just get our head around what we want to do, what we need to do, and how we can be more effective. Because boy, when I'm not sleeping well and I'm terrible going to bed early, I can't do it because that's like my most creative time is in the evening, in the wee hours of the morning. But at least I can make sure that I'm getting a certain number of hours. And that means, I'm not in meetings at 9 o'clock in the morning if I'm going to bed at 3 a.m. But I also have this is a Fitbit, and it's, it has the feature that I can see what time it is too. It just kind of like serves as a watch, but syncs up with this app and it tells me how many hours I slept, how many of them were deep sleep. I guess it knows the difference between the different levels of sleep. And so it gives me a little bit of a sense of how I'm doing toward my goal of sleeping at least 6 hours, and seeing how restorative the sleep was, which is kind of cool. And you can log your food and you can log your exercise and you can set goals for yourself. Highly recommended if you haven't had a chance. It's like $50 or something to get your own and then hook up with the app. So it's not bad at all. And anything that you set goals on and you measure regularly, you will continue to improve in those areas. So find one or two of those things and make self-care an important part.